In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run polls in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your presentation, access the right tools, and add a live poll to engage your audience in real time. Start by heading to Google Slides in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, sign in so you can access your files. On the Slides homepage, you'll see your recent presentations displayed as thumbnails. Pick the presentation you want to use for your poll. Choosing a deck you're already planning to present works best because the poll will live right inside that file. Click the thumbnail to open it. With your presentation open, look toward the top of the screen for the main menu bar. You're looking for the Extensions menu, which sits alongside items like Insert, Format, and Tools. This is where Google Slides lets you use add-ons that extend the app's features. Click Extensions, then find Pear Deck for Google Slides. Add-on in the drop-down. Pear Deck is a popular tool for adding interactive questions, like polls, directly to your slides. If you don't see it listed, it may not be enabled for your account yet. In that case, check with your organization or administrator later. For now, continue with the presentation you've opened. Next, click Open Pear Deck Add-on. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Give it a moment to load. Once it's ready, you'll see options for adding interactive elements. This sidebar is where you'll create your poll and manage how it appears in your deck. In the Pear Deck panel, click Poll. This opens the poll tools designed to drop a ready-to-use interactive slide into your presentation. Pear Deck provides structured poll formats so you can quickly ask a question and collect responses from your audience. Keep your questions short and clear so people can answer quickly, and consider answers that are easy to choose on the spot. When you insert the poll, Pear Deck adds a new slide to your deck with the interactive question built in. From here, you can continue editing your presentation as usual. The poll will be ready to use when you present. During your live session, presenting the deck with Pear Deck active allows your audience to respond in real time from their devices, and you'll see responses update on the screen. Before presenting, save your deck and make sure you have a stable internet connection. That's all it takes to create and run a poll in Google Slides using the Pear Deck add-on. Thanks for watching, and have fun engaging your audience with live feedback.